Hip series part 2, we are going to stretch our hip extensors, which means we're going to stretch our hip into the direction of flexion. And if you're new here, my name's Sammy, I'm a physical therapist, and my most frequently asked question from you guys is like how to strengthen, how to stretch the hip. So we're going to do a series. This is part 2, we're stretching the hip. I'm thinking of this stretch that the majority of my patients can tolerate without too much difficulty. And those are the ones that I'm going to show you. I'm not going to lie, it's very helpful to have some sort of a strap. This is a yoga strap. You could use a long belt, sheet, a scarf, whatever you have. You can use the bands. They don't work quite as well because they have give, and with the stretch, we want that overpressure. So if the band gives too much, you might not get a good pull. We're going to stretch this hip. All you do is grab the back of the thigh and pull in. I mean, that's the stretch. You could do it like this if you have knee pain. You could do it like this if you want to stretch your knee as well as your hip. But if that's uncomfortable for your knee, simply grab behind and pull. You're going to get a little bit of a butt stretch, but some people might feel more like a joint stretch. Now, if your arms aren't long enough or you have a little bit of a gut, you use a strap. Just put it around, no big deal, and then you pull the strap. Easy peasy, okay? Easy peasy. Now, if you wanted to add hamstring, you straighten the leg, and you can keep your strap here, or if you're feeling frisky, you can put the strap around your foot and hamstring stretch here. It's okay to have bend in the knee, okay? It's okay if you're not perfectly straight, okay? A little bend in the knee, feeling the stretch back here. This is gonna stretch our hamstrings, which do assist in hip extension, but I am getting a little bit away from the initial stretch, which is hip flexion, single knee to chest. Now from here, you can pull it over to stretch your butt. You can pull it out to stretch inner thigh. You can do circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. If this aggravates your back, then just be careful and go slow. There you have it.